Imagine finding the perfect home that checks all the boxes, but the appraiser flags a few repairs that need to be made before the loan can close. Should you walk away from the deal? Not necessarily, thanks to what's known as a FHA repair escrow. Let's talk about what it is, how it works, and whether it could be a smart option for you. What is an FHA repair escrow? An FHA repair escrow is a temporary account that sets aside up to $5,000 to pay for repairs after closing. Instead of requiring everything to be fixed before you buy the home, the lender allows you to close and then make the repairs using the funds from the escrow account. The repair costs will be added to your other closing costs unless the seller offers a credit. This program is designed for minor repair issues that would normally prevent an FHA loan from being approved. FHA repair escrow is not meant for major repairs, renovations, or structural problems. Here's the basic process. 1. The appraiser identifies repairs needed for the home to meet FHA standards. 2. The lender estimates the cost of the repairs and adds that money into an escrow account at closing. 3. After closing, the repairs are completed by the licensed professionals. 4. The lender inspects the work to confirm everything is finished properly. And 5. Once approved, the contractor is paid from the escrow funds. The repairs usually must be completed within 90 days, although some lenders may allow a little more time depending on the situation. What types of repairs qualify? The escrow is only for small, non-structural issues. Some examples include repainting, peeling, or chipping surfaces, replacing broken windows or damaged flooring, fixing gutters, handrails, or minor roofing issues, and addressing safety concerns like missing smoke detectors. If the home needs major structural work, plumbing overhauls, a new roof, or really any high-cost repair, an FHA 203K renovation loan may be a better option for you. The FHA repair escrow can be a great solution if you find a home you love that only needs a few small fixes. It allows you to still qualify for FHA financing. You can close on your home without waiting weeks or months for repairs or relying on the seller to fix things. And you can handle the work after you move in with funds already set aside. It keeps the process moving while making sure the home still meets FHA safety standards and livability standards. There are a few important details to know. First, the escrow amount is typically capped at $5,000. Also, only repairs required by the FHA appraiser are eligible. The lender controls the funds and pays the contractor once the work is complete. And you cannot use the escrow to upgrade or remodel for cosmetic reasons. An FHA repair escrow is a helpful tool for buyers who want to purchase a home that needs only minor repairs. It keeps the deal alive while ensuring the property still meets FHA standards. If you're looking at a home that needs a little TLC, ask your lender if this option is available. It could be the difference between losing out on a property and moving into the home you really want. For more tips on FHA loans and home financing, visit mortgageresearch.com. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. And if you've got questions, drop them in the comments. We're here to help. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your home buying journey.